रेडी। ये जीडी बिट्स एक्सरसाइज 13 पीछे से हम डेली लिखाते आ रहे हैं और अपने यूट्यूब सद्दाम स्टेनो के नाम से हम डाल भी देते हैं डेली एक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। ऑडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। रेडी, स्टार्ट। द गर्ल हैड एक्सप्रेस्ड ए मार्क्ड रिलक्टेंस टू स्टे विथ हर फादर, full stop. The High Court was of the opinion that the children had developed long-standing affection towards their maternal grandfather, until and unless, full stop. It will take a while before they develop the same towards their stepmother, full stop. The sex of the minor girl who would soon face the difficulties of attaining adolescence is an important consideration, though not a conclusive one, full stop. She will benefit from the guidance of her maternal aunt, if custody is given to the respondent, which the appellant will be in no position to provide, full stop. Further, there is a special bonding between the children and it is desirable that they stay together with their maternal grandfather, unless and until, full stop. Unless and until, in case of custody of the minor children, the family law, that is the Mohammedan law, would apply in place of the act, full stop. Considering the provisions under section 353 of the Mohammedan law, the High Court had held that the preferential rights regarding the custody of the minor children rests with the maternal grandparents, full stop. After making a doubtful proposition that in case of a conflict between personal law and welfare of the children, the former shall prevail, the High Court held that in the case at hand there is no such conflict, full stop. For the reasons aforementioned, the High Court by its impugned order set aside the order of the Family Court, Bangalore, which vacated the interim injunction issued against the appellant, full stop. It is this order of the High Court, which is challenged before us by way of a special leave petition, which on ground of leave has been heard by us in the presence of the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the parties, full stop. It was the contention of the appellant before us that the act will apply to the present case because there is a conflict between the preferential guardian in Mohammedan law and the act, full stop. It was pointed out that while deciding the custody of the minor children, the welfare of the children had to be taken into consideration and that it was guaranteed by the act, full stop. They have placed their reliance on a case of Rajasthan, full stop. The Rajasthan High Court in the cited case held that where the provisions of personal law are in conflict with the provisions of Guardians and Wards Act, the latter shall prevail over the formal uncle and aunt, full stop. चलिए हो गया, इसको ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कीजिए, इसको मिला देंगे, डिलीटिंग ट्रांसक्रिप्शन मिलाते हैं।